Hi everyone, this vlog is all about Avir's 8th birthday celebration with our family at Soma Win Village in Nashik. This year, instead of a big party, we wanted to celebrate his special day with simple moments, family time, travel, laughter, and lots of blessings. So, we booked a villa at Soma Win Village, and this vlog is going to take you guys behind all of those really amazing moments we spent here. 8 years of Avir, and honestly, it feels like yesterday that he came into our lives and changed everything so beautifully. Watching him grow into this sensitive, energetic, curious, and loving boy has been the biggest gift of our life. From the birthday cake to family hugs, this trip became such a heartwarming memory for us. Avir, may you always stay happy, kind, confident, and full of dreams. We love you more than words can ever say. So, yes, come along as we celebrate our birthday boy in Nashik at Somavin village. Happy birthday, Avir! Avir ki birthday preps are going. We are celebrating here Avir's birthday. Happy birthday, Avir! Happy birthday, Faru! How's the gift?
Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
So I'm so happy Avir is today 8 years old and we are so blessed that we are celebrating together and few gifts that we gave. Come Avir. Come Paru. Love you. Happy birthday. और अभी हमें पता चल रहा है Avir is 8 years old because he has found this himself and I want to show you one thing. Just see how has he packed his 8-year-old outfit. Just see how much thought he has put in. He took this bag, then he put everything that he wants to wear today inside this packet. So this is his birthday outfit pack. And before going for breakfast, we have a small sweet treat for Avir. Happy birthday, Paru. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Mama big fan.
Now I can say my boy is 8 years old. Everything you did.
Yeah, now it definitely
It's like
you
an
cannot
eight.
say he's 7 years old. He's already 8 years old.
मैंगो मिला
हाँ. लेकिन
Mango उतारने के लिए.
you can jump and take it.
गिरा मैंगो अभी can you hear birds chirping?
Yes.
अभी बोगनविला ट्री so pretty ना हाँ यहाँ पे बेल है बहुत बड़ी चलो जी
घर अंदर जो है घर अंदर रहता है.
Thank you for holding the door. Good job, Avir. Good job. राइस खीर आज आपके बर्थडे स्पेशल के लिए बनी है राइस खीर। ला मैं खोलूँ? वाह जी वाह। This is the coincidence. I'm having some fruits, breakfast with the view. ये आ गए बर्थडे बॉय स्विमिंग करने। Wow, this pool is the star of our trip. Really, है ना? I really love this private pool. और ये मेरी favorite spot. ये भी मेरी favorite spot. Below the canopy. So happy, so happy and blessed. So grateful. So this is the special cake cutting that I've planned in the room. Let me show you the tray. Here is the tray that I have prepped for his 8th birthday. We got some slice cake. We have candle and his favorite sweets. So yes, looking forward to welcome him to cut this cake because I wanted one cake cutting to happen in the room itself and make his birthday super special. So yes, he'll come, he'll change his outfit, get ready, and then we go for this cake cutting. Chalo beta, come now, Avi. Let's go. So here Avir has almost got ready. Show me. Arey wow, 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 wow. Avir, look here. Wow. Wow. Look at your outfit. And he has got perfume also and he's got a cap also.
Look at this packaging.
Wow. Nice. Nice. Oh. Nice, Avir. Thumbs up. Ready for your birthday. Hi, now we are ready for
My cake cutting.
cake cutting. So we have already done the setup here. And yes,
Small cake.
it's a small cake celebration for our room that I wanted to ensure that we do, as I shared earlier. Yes. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Avir. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
Yay! Now, what's the plan after this?
We will go for lunch.
Yes, we'll go for lunch. Where are we going?
I don't know.
And after that, any plans?
After that, we are going. After that, we will go to a place which is nearby. We will go kiting.
Mm. Okay.
We will play some cricket.
Cricket and go-karting is the plan. Looks like somebody is 8 years old. Dressed up like 8-year-old also. So,
Maybe.
let's see, we are excited. Let's get the birthday party started. Time to go now. Get in the car. Paru. We've come here for lunch. बहुत ही अच्छा इसका इंटीरियर लग रहा है. Look at the boho vibes. Very beautiful. Which pizza would you like?
Time sweet fling.
Which
Springtime sweet fling. Okay, good idea.
Pepper, sweet corn, paneer, pineapple, and chili.
And I think we'll order a small cake for you.
You can also.
Yeah, let's see the cake options. Come. Come.
You can also make a cake for yourself. Yourself. I think the best option might be among the white forest and this one.
I think that one. That will be nice.
नहीं मैं 5 में फिर ऐसे कर लेता हूँ
5 नहीं कर सकते 5 से नहीं लेकर.
कैसे खेल रहे हो? दोबारा बताओ. Start again.
पापा chopsticks.
We are playing and having fun eating. We have ordered this paneer steak.
I will go.
Then some pizza is coming for Ravi. He has this
Botur.
yummy food on our plate. I'm grateful. Wow, your cake is here. Happy birthday, Avi.
बोला था दिया.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Big one.
Happy birthday. Our
Look.
favorite cake.
Chalo ji, time to go. How was it, Avi? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
Where are we going now? Now is the best part of the day. Huh?
I don't know that.
Yes. Let's go find it. Yeah, Avi, कहाँ आए हम?
Zonkers.
कुछ एक्टिविटीज अवीर अकेला करेगा, कुछ हमारे साथ. सो लेट्स सी कैसे जाने वाला है. यहाँ पे जो एक्टिविटीज हैं वो है गो कार्टिंग, देन यू हैव जिप लाइन, वी हैव हाई रोप, वी हैव डबल सीट गो कार्टिंग ऑल्सो, एंड देन कुछ बड़ों के
यही
लिए भी
वाला
है,
ना?
जैसे कि एटीवी राइड एक्सेट्रा. सो यस, लेट्स सी अवीर कौन सी चूज करता है, एंड देन वी विल हैव फन.
2 सीट टाइप का है.
आपको मन कर रहा है अकेले करने?
नहीं वो अकेला नहीं करेगा आपको या मेरे को साथ में जाना पड़ेगा आपको करनी है तो मैं एक और टिकट लेता हूँ फिर दो काट
आप दोनों कर लो.
आपको पेंट बॉल शूटिंग करनी है
20
यस,
है
मैं
ना?
पेंट बॉल शूटिंग करूंगी, आप गो कार्टिंग कर लो. ठीक है? ओके, कूल.
ठीक.
अभी लगाओ हैंडल से.
No.
था?
बोरिंग।
कोई बात नहीं, अभी किड्स वाले में जाएंगे। बेटा इसके लिए ड्राइविंग लाइसेंस चाहिए। ये देखो अंकल ने साइन कराए सब। हाँ ये देखो साइन कराए सबसे। तो अभी किड्स वाले में जाएंगे। तो अभी थोड़ा सा अपसेट था कि उसको चलाने मिला नहीं, बट दिस वाज नॉट फॉर किड्स। ये तो अडल्ट्स की गो कार्टिंग है, सो ही कुड सिट बिसाइड्स मी और मनीष। सो वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा इसका मूड ऑफ हो गया। बट यस, जो रूल्स हैं वो तो फॉलो करने ही पड़ेंगे। तो नाउ वी आर गोइंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट एक्टिविटी। और बहुत धूप है जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं, बहुत गर्मी हो रही है। बट देन वी कम हियर टू स्पेंड हिज बर्थडे इवनिंग। वेरी नाइस, वाओ।
दोनों गोल के बीच। जल्दी नहीं, आराम से।
किड्स गो कार्ट। ब्रेक कौन सा?
राइट साइड एक्सीलेटर ब्रेक, लेफ्ट साइड ब्रेक। ओके,
ओके।
ब्रेक यूज नहीं करना जब एक्सीलेटर जब यूज करोगे, ठीक है?
ठीक।
चलो ऑल द बेस्ट। हाँ देखा मैंने आपको, अच्छा किया आपने।
वेरी वेल बेटा, इतना टाइम तो मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा।
आपने बहुत अच्छा किया वीर। अभी कर रहा है एक और बार। गुड अवीर। तो अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं आफ्टर द गो कार्टिंग जोंकर्स एक्सपीरियंस। कैसा था?
अच्छा।
अच्छा था, मज़ा आया आपको? सबसे ज़्यादा क्या?
क्रिकेट।
मुझे पेंट बॉल। बुल राइड कैसा लगा?
बुल राइड में हाथ दर्द।
हाँ हाथ से ज़्यादा दर्द होता है, ये तो बात सही। चलो जी अभी रूम जाएंगे, रेस्ट करेंगे एंड वी विल लेट द डे बी इन द फ्लो। शो मी दिखाओ। अरे वाह, नाइस अवीर, गुड वन। एंड रेडी फॉर बर्थडे बॉयज डिनर टाइम। Everybody is looking so nice and fresh. We are going to a special place at Soma for dinner. So let's go. This is the place we are going for dinner. Look at that. Oh, so nice.
Why did you throw it again in the plate?
It's okay, honey. Wait, Avi, I'll serve you.
Shall I give you?
Avi's pizza. Here's our pasta. Happy birthday to you, another cake. So happy. How was your birthday, Javier?
Fun.
Wonderful. I can see. Yumminess. So how was your day?
I think I don't have words to say today. It was wonderful. We spent a lot of time. It was nice to have Avi with us.
I liked it, but the go-karting part I hated that. That kids go-karting was so boring.
We were just discussing that Lego World thing was
The Lego world,
so fun.
the Lego world was way better. In that, I didn't even notice there were also gears. If you don't know the Legoland video, it is another vlog.
Oh yes, that's another vlog. That is Singapore's vlog of Legoland, where Avi went go-karting and he enjoyed.
No,
Not a go-karting.
it was kind of like a car.
Kind of car
Yeah, it
driving
was a
for
kind of a
kids.
traffic.
Yeah.
Like everybody was overtaking me, even though I had a race car.
And what was the best part about today that you liked?
I know.
I also know.
Cricket!
Cricket.
Okay.
Yes.
I thought cake cutting.
Even I thought cake cutting.
No.
No.
Cricket.
Okay.
Because he really wanted the cake. That's why we ordered. Because I had planned the slice cake for your cake cutting, and I thought we'll go home and then cut cake. But then Avi
Today I
wanted.
came to know that Avi likes something more than his food.
Chalo now. Let's close the vlog today.
Bye, good night.
So grateful for Avi.
We are not closing the vlog. We will also make it tomorrow.
Oh, we are going to Triambakeshwar tomorrow. That is
Early morning.
early morning. And
5 o'clock we have to wake up.
yes, so definitely
no.
we'll
We
make.
have to wake up at 4:30.
Okay, that's we'll plan. So for now, let's close the vlog. Bye. Take care.
We are not closing the vlog. Let's end up for today.
Let's end the vlog for today. Thank you for watching. Bye. Go now. Bye. Bye.
Bye.
Avi gifted me this flower.
I'm in the airplane.
Thank you for this flower, Avi. It's so cute. Thank you.
Look.
See, Avi gave me this flower. Chalo. Bye bye. And friends, this brings us to the end of today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel, Mommy Tales India, and I'll see you guys next time very soon with many more such videos. Till then, this is me, Amrit, signing off for now. Bye bye and take care.